That's mine. That's mine. I want to get on it.
You like it?
Is it mine?
I don't know. You tell me.
I think it's mine. Is it mine?
It is.
Is it broken?
No, it's fixed.
Can I sit on it?
Yeah.
Careful.
Okay.
Might be tough.
I think
Okay.
it's a little too late.
It's okay.
I want this because this thing has a lot of power. Where's the other one?
In the garage.
Wait,
Alright, get
You
down
like
so-
it?
Get down so I can get you some flip-flops.
Huh?